Alright, answer for the warm-up 5. Number 2. Okay, answer for this one is 3. Number 3. Alright, answer is 2. Alright, winning numbers for today are 3 and 6. Okay, homework check. Take Mr. Skinner. Alright, pay attention to the answers, guys. Come on. Number 1 is 452.39 inches cubed. Number 2 is 339.29 centimeters cubed. And number 3 is 3.19 centimeters. Alright, number 4 is 3.10 yards. Number 5 is 3.82 feet. And number 6 is 1.36 inches. Alright, number 7 is 6.46 centimeters. Number 8 is 2.39 inches. Number 9 is 9,650.97 meters cubed. And number 10 is 15,550.88 centimeters cubed. Questions on the homework? Okay, extra credit answers. If you did the extra... Okay, our objective for today. We're going to be solving inequalities. In our learning kit, we're solving compound linear inequalities today. For example 1, we have 2x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 24. We're going to treat this inequality like an equal sign. We want our x by itself. So what we want to do, first thing, what do we want to get rid of first?
4.
The 4. And how do we get rid of the 4?
Minus 4. Do the opposite of what it is.
Subtract 4 from both sides. On the left we'll have 2x is greater than or equal to 24 minus 4 is 20. We divide by 2. Good.
Cancel each other out.
Alright, so our final answer will be x is greater than or equal to... Whoops. Oh. Okay, our final answer will be x is greater than or equal to 10. And make sure you put the greater than or equals to sign or less than or equals to sign or whatever sign it is that you have when your final answer. Okay, for example 2, this time it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to solve it like we were doing before. What's the first thing we want to do?
Plus 9.
We want to add 9 to both sides. We get negative 3m on the left. We've got our less than or equals to sign. 18 plus 9 gives us 27. What's our next step?
Divide by -3.
We want to divide by negative 3. Okay, when we do inequalities, when we're dividing by a negative, we need to switch our inequality sign. So it's the less than or equal to right now. We need to switch it to a greater than or equal to. Only if you divide by a negative, right. So if you divide by a positive, adding, subtracting, any like that, don't need to change it. Only if you're dividing by a negative, yeah?
What if it's like negative 27?
The answer would be negative 9. Alright, practice problem number 1. Okay, answer for the bonus is 36. Okay, bonus number 2. Answer for this one should be 100. Okay, solution for the practice problem. We've got 3p plus 3 is greater than or equal to 18. Subtract 3 from both sides. We'll have 3p is greater than or equal to 15. We divide by our coefficient, which is 3. And we get p is greater than or equal to 5. Alright, practice problem number 2. Okay, answer should be 33. Number 4. Okay, answer sheet 324. Alright, solution for the practice problem. We have negative 2b minus 4 is greater than or equal to 16. We add 4 to both sides. We get negative 2b greater than or equal to 20. We're dividing by a negative 2. What does that mean?
Plus divide. Yeah,
We're switching the inequality. It's going to be b is less than or equal to negative 10. Alright, extra credit problem. Go ahead and write it down. Okay, for example number 3, this time we have a variable on both sides. Again, we're just going to treat the inequality like an equals sign. So we have 3 plus 2n is less than 5n minus 6. We want our variables and our numbers on the same side.
It's just like the ones we used to do.
Yes, this is just like the ones we did before, except we're using inequalities this time. So we're going to subtract 2n from each side. So we have 3 is less than 3n minus 6.
And then we divide by
Not yet.
Oh, no.
We want to move this, remember?
add 6.
So we add 6 to both sides.
So it's
That'll be 9 is less than 3n.
divide by 3.
We divide by 3. And that means n is greater than 3. The main thing you guys have to remember is just if there's a negative and you're dividing by a negative, then don't forget to change your inequality. Okay, for example 4, we have 6x plus 2 is less than negative 6x minus 12. Gonna add 6x to both sides.
Stop that example.
Okay, so we add 6x to both sides. We have 12x plus 2 on this side. On the left, we have a negative 12. We subtract 2 from both sides. This time we're going to end up getting a fraction. So we've got 12x is less than negative 12 minus 2 is negative 14. We divide by 12.
We have to switch the sign.
We're dividing by a positive 12, so we don't need to switch the sign this time.
So what if it's a negative? Wouldn't it be a decimal?
We can reduce it to negative 7 over 6. Okay, practice problem number 3. Yeah, we'll do bonus number 5. Okay. Remember guys, when you plug these in, you want to put parentheses around your numbers. So this would be negative 3 squared minus 7. Your negative 3 in parentheses is going to be negative 3 times a negative 3 will give you a positive 9. So your answer should be 2. We're running out of time, so I'll go ahead and skip to the practice. Okay, we have negative 4p is greater than negative 10 plus p. We want our variables on one side. We're going to subtract p from both sides. Negative 4p minus, this is the same as 1p. Negative 4 minus 1 gives us what?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. So that's negative 5p is greater than negative 10. Next, we want to divide by our coefficient, which is negative 5.
And then that'd be a positive. Come out to be a positive 2.
When we divide by a negative, we have to change our inequality. It's a greater than here. We need to switch it to a less than. So p is less than negative 10 over negative 5, which is 2. Okay, go ahead and just do the first 6 because we didn't get through the next section of it. So do 1 through 6.